Assalamu alaikum. Good morning all. How are you my dear kids? Okay. In the last class we learned a story. Do you remember? Yes, hare and tortoise. You know? Who slept under a tree? Who slept under a tree? Yes, hare. Okay, very good. Today I will say another story. Do you like? Did you listen me? Yes. In my hand, one boy is here. You look? One boy. His name, Lin. What is his name? Lin. What is his name? Lin. Okay, you look very beautiful boy. You know, may I paste Lin on the board? Yes, okay, you look Lin. Lin. Who is this? Lin. Look. One day, Lin got a lollipop. Do you know what is the lollipop? You know? Don't know. You look. This is the lollipop. You look. This is the lollipop. Lin got a lollipop. You look what a nice it is. Very beautiful, no? Very sweety it is. You look how it is the eat lollipop. Like this? No. How? Plop plop. Like this. Yes, you look. Lin got a lollipop. What? Lollipop. Who got? Lin. Yes. Lin got a lollipop. Lin got a lollipop. While he eating the lollipop, he saw a small insect there. What is that, you know? Lizard. You look. Lizard. What is? Lizard. He saw the lizard on the wall. He saw a lizard on the wall. Then he thought, I want catch the lizard. I want catch the lizard. How I will catch? Then he looked around him. Then he saw a ladder. What is the ladder, you know? He saw a ladder. What is the ladder? You know? You look. This is the ladder. You look. Lin took a ladder and put near the wall. Lin took the ladder and kept near the wall. Then you look, his mouth, what is there? Lollipop. Don't forget, what is? Whose mouth is lollipop? Lin mouth. Lin mouth has a lollipop. Then he climbed on the ladder. Then what do you know? He reached there on the top. The lizard escaped from there. Then Lin was very sad. Then he getting down slowly. He looking here and there. Then he saw his lamb is eating leaf. His lamb, you know what is the lamb? Do you know what is the lamb? Lamb is the kid of sheep. You look. This is the lamb. What is this? Lamb. Lamb is eating the leaf. Lamb is eating the leaf. Did you see leaf? What is the color of leaf? Red? Yellow? Which color? You look? Yes, Yes, green leaf. You look. Lamb eating leaf. Lamb eating leaf. Then Lin get down very speedily and wear his shoes and ran fast. Then while he running, he fell down. Then what happened, you know? His leg was broken. What is the leg, you know? Yes, this is the leg. You look, Lin's leg was broken. Then he cried, very highly cried. Then, you know why Lin fell down, you know? Don't know? Yes, he was ran, but another one is there. He is not tying the shoelace. He is not tying the shoelace. You look like this. He was wear like this. He is not tying the lace. Why, you know? His lamb is eating the leaf. That's why. Which leaf, you know? That is the jackfruit leaf. That's why he is running. That's why he was run. Then you look, you also think about this. Whenever you are wearing the shoes, you tie your shoelace. Okay? Yes. Then he cried from there, and then he was crying, oh, I can't walk, I can't run, what can I do? Please help me, please help me. But you know, his mother is not there. His house was locked. His house was locked. You know how we will lock the house? Lock the house? How we will lock the house? With lock. Yes, with lock. Then his mother locked his house with lock. Then you look, then he was crying, his hunger heard the voice. Then he came fastly. Oh my God, what happened, my Lin? What happened, my Lin? What happened? He took Lin and went to the hospital. Okay. Did you listen the story? Yes. Then what is there coming, you know? Many. Yes, you look. Many pictures are here, you look. Yes. Who is this? Yes, Lin. What he got? He got a lollipop. While he ate lollipop, what he saw? He saw a lizard. Where is the lizard, you know? On the wall. Then he catched. Then what he took? He took a ladder. Then did he got? No. He reached there. The lizard escaped from there. Then while getting down, what happened? Yes, he saw his lamb. He ate the leaf. His lamb ate the leaf. Then what happened? Yes, he ran. Then what happened? Fell down. Yes, his leg broken. You look, what is this? Leg. His leg broken. Then you know why he fell down. Yes, why he fell down? He was not tied the shoelace. Then he crying, oh my God. Then what happened? His mother is there or not? Not there. His house was locked. With what lock do you look? With lock. Then who came there? His uncle came and went to hospital. Did you like the story? Did you like the story? Please maybe read one more time these pictures names only. Okay. Lin, lollipop, lizard, ladder, lamb, leaf, leg, lace, lock. Look, all the pictures started with one sound. All the pictures started with one sound. You listen. Lin, lollipop, lizard, ladder, lamb, leaf, leg, lace, log. You look, these all the starting same. L. What is the same sound? L. What is? L. You look, L is the sound. Then may I write the letter on the board? What is that letter you know? Letter is L. What is this? L. Mama letter L. This is the baby letter L. Mama letter L. This is the baby letter L. What is the sound you know? Both have the same sound L. Both have the same sound L. L. Lion licking lollipop. L is the sound of L. Lion licking lollipop. L is the sound of L. Okay? Please you go through your textbook. These pictures are in your textbook. Please you look the first letter, mama letter, baby letter, then sound also. Okay? Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.